It came from above. It came from heaven. It's packets from China.
Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about the RetroGame 300. I did a lot of wicked reviews about these portable systems. I leave a link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell because you've missed out a lot of wicked reviews. So we have talked about many products. For example, the LDK RetroGame. But now we're having the RetroGame 300. It's a new improved version in many ways, and I'm going to show you what is improved, and maybe this is what we call the LDK killer. Alright, let's take a close look at the box and what are we going to get. Alright, so the box itself, it's made from thick cardboard, like for example the LDK and the RetroGame. I really like the presentation, and for the people like collecting boxes. Here's some information about the product itself. It says here it's on 1800 mAh battery, so that is pretty huge. Most of the system has around, let's say, 1000. 6 hours of gameplay. Okay, if this is true, that is very cool. This one also has support for different platforms. For example, Game Boy Advance, Super Famicom, Sega. Maybe it has PlayStation, who knows. Here a little overview of the system itself, and this is what the box contains. I've got the grey one. It seems to be there are always different versions, and I can see we're having blue transparent, black transparent, and the white and grey. Alright, let's see what's inside. Alright, so let's open it up and let's see what we're going to get. We're having here the system itself. I'm going to take a close look at it later. Plastic. Alright, we have a USB cable, and the first thing that I'm noticing, and this one got an S-type connection. That's new. We're having here warranty card or something like that, don't care. And we having the Color Deluxe Chinese toilet paper manual with some basic explanation nobody reads. We have an AV out cable. So in this video we're going to check it out. We're going to use my upscale and let's see if it even works on what is the signal output. Oh. Okay. Whatever. Alright, let's take a closer look at the system. Before I forget, so the USB cable, very important. We can transfer data and we can charge the system. Just wanted to point this out because a lot of people are going to ask, can you add games? Yes, you can add games. Alright, so let's take a close look at the system itself. Ooh, they're ripping off Game Boy, I like it. So right, the first thing that I've noticed with this thing, wow, it's very heavy. I like it when it's heavy because it gives more that quality feeling. The shell itself is pretty big, so if you're having big hands like me, I would say if you have very huge hands, I don't know if it's still comfortable, but still I would say it is better than the LDK. I know for sure. The D-pad, not bad at all. Alright, so if you can see, the D-pad doesn't have a very long travel, so alright, there's an improvement of all the other versions. Ooh, I like it. Oh, the shell, the form of the shell is nice. Having this shoulder buttons, they are feeling very nice. Very nice buttons. D-pad is not bad. No rubbery buttons. Just in select and start here. I'm guessing. Wow. Click these buttons. So we have the, I'm guessing this is more like a return button and brightness control. Right, let's do an overview. What are we going to get? So we're having the D-pad, 2 buttons in the middle, and this can be programmed for functionalities, I'm guessing. But we're going to find out. Select start, 4 buttons over here. At the bottom we're finding the AV out, very weird choice, and we're having the S-type connection for your USB cable. At the side we're finding this tiny scroll rail for adjusting volume. At the left side we're finding an CF slot, and we're having an on and off. Yeah, I need to think about CF slot or SD, where you can put your SD card. Very important. We're having here a mono speaker, and I'm just going to say it, this thing is very loud. Spoiler! Alright, so I really like the shoulder buttons. I already mentioned they are very clickish. I like it. And I must say it's a little bit ergonomic shell, so as you can see here, I like what they're doing over here. I like it a lot. And here we have the battery compartment, and this one comes with an BP5L. This is just a common battery you can find. If I'm saying it correctly, was it the PopK? Damn it, can't remember it. Nevertheless, huge, very 80 milliamps. I don't know if there was a bigger version. So if you know this, please leave it in the comments. But for now, it seems, if we need to believe the box, it gives you 6 hours of gameplay. So if that is true, I don't know what you think of this, but it is not bad at all. And if we remove the battery, we can swap this SD card out. So that is pretty damn awesome. So like the RetroGame, the newer versions, we can swap out the CF card, or the SD card, how you want to call this, and we can use new firmware. And even without the battery, this thing feels quite heavy. Alright, let's take a close look at the LCD screen. And what you can see, it's got a good view angle, a very good view angle, and it's very colorful and bright. So that is not bad at all. Okay, so the first thing I just wanted to say, this thing comes without any games. So you need to install them yourself. Yeah, they come with some homebrew games, but the layout itself is a little bit more like the... No, don't go in suspend mode. No, naughty system. But this thing comes with pre-installed some emulators, some homebrew games. Alright, let's take a close look. When using the shoulder button, you can scroll through the menu over here. And what you can see, there are some emulators, pre-installed emulators. It's a little bit messy if you ask me. So you can clean this up if you want. Here we have some homebrew games, some shareware games. For example, Quake and Quake 2 are on this one. It's for the same like the LDK, the RetroGame, newer versions, and some other extra software. So there's not much to see here over here, but you can basically connect this thing to your system or your PC, add the games, and have some fun. Alright. This maximum volume. Okay. Let's go. Let's test out the D-pad. Perfect. Just perfect. Ow. Sounds good. The D-pad's very responsive. Yeah, very responsive. I like it. Alright. Seems to be running fine. Good music. No weird sound glitches. Adjust the volume a little bit. But there's something I want to show you. We're having this bezel mode. To be honest, I think it's a little bit pointless. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the setting. No, not reset the game wicket. Settings. We can just have a color filter. Let's see, mono palette, select scaler. We're putting it on this one. We're having the original ratio. I'm going to put in this one. We're having full screen. I like this. Of course, it's more like personal taste. Alright. Correctly. Shoulder buttons are actually the shoulder buttons. Like I say, they seem pretty damn good. Okay, whoa, that looked very weird. Okay, so with this game I just wanted to show you the FPS that is here at the top. I overclocked the CPU, so it will consume more battery life, and I don't know if it's very good if you're going to do this for a very long time. But what you can see, the CPU has been used for, let's say, a maximum of 60% frames, 60 frames. Two-dimensional games are running pretty fine. Only with this, the PlayStation, I am going to try in three-dimensional game. As you can see, two-dimensional games are pretty nice, or they play very well. Alright. As you can see, it's running at 95% of the CPU power. So this game is way more consuming than the other one. Okay. Okay, now it's running on 100% CPU power. And as you can see, I'm getting sometimes a peak of 40 frames, but it is running pretty slow. Okay. With this simulator I didn't overclock it. I was hoping not needing it. But what you can already see is running on around 50 frames. So that is pretty crap. Super Famicom seems to be very difficult for this thing. But looking at this, what the... What the heck is going on? Now it's running 60 frames. It's really pretty damn decent. It's got a little minor dip spot, and overall it's not bad at all. Sound is good. It's not perfect emulation, but it seems to be running fine. Master System. Hello? Hello? Seems to be that the buttons are not mapping with this thing. So out of the box, no can do. Hey, what just happened? Oh, I found the button. Alright. Let's play a little bit of Master System. Let's play some arcade. Let's play some Mame. Predator mode activated. Alright, let's see how Sega runs. Sega Mega Drive. And yes, it saves. Sound effects are here. All the sound effects are here. Let's go to the special stage. Oh. Let's see how the 3D animations are. And this thing runs pretty smooth. It looks amazing on the screen. Oh yeah. Sonic time! Sorry guys, I need to play a little bit more. Yep. Plays perfect. Oh, let's play some Subsribe, people. My favorite game on this thing. Oh yeah. I like this character, man. Oh, this thing, this handheld device, this thing plays so nice. Quake 3 runs like a charm. Yeah, I think it's more like the same. If you look at LDK and all the other systems. The game runs, but it's more like a little stutter here and there. As you can see there. Little frame drops, but it's still playable. Alright people, so for the final conclusion about the RetroGame 300. I really like this product personally. If you look at the emulation, if you look at the possibilities of this thing, it is good. It's a little bit bigger like compared with the LDK, so personally I think it's way more comfortable to play. The D-pad is a little bit different with other versions, but I like it. It is responsive, it plays the games very nice. For example, fighting games, all the moves come out instantly. I like it a lot. So the screen itself, it's a beautiful screen. It's not the best screen I've seen, but still, for the money, this is what we can expect. Good resolution, great options. Personally, I love it. I really love to know from you, what do you think of this? Would you even consider buying this? So, that concludes this video. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.